We'd like also to present on our stand today our new XPR Starter Kit. It consists of this little box here, little suitcase, hard suitcase. You just open up and you have inside all the accessories necessary for the integrators or even our tech partners to test the products and and obviously program the readers with the right configuration for their application. So you actually have a million reader which have dual technology, WGAN, OSDP, RS485. All the information all the technology are in this reader. You can see from the back here, you have a USB-C connector. So you can program the reader straight from the USB connector, or you can also create configuration cards with the help of our new desktop enrollment unit, which is a universal desktop enrollment unit. We also have keyboard emulation. Also provided with a cable with USB-C and USB-A, so you have both function here. And with this desktop enrollment unit, you can create obviously your configuration cards with the programming of the readers you want with our product manager software, which is free of charge and downloadable from our website. And you can just program the readers through the cards. You also have all the fittings and all the cables needed for the starter kit to be actually complete for your application. Thank you very much.
For more information, visit xprreaders.com.